Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Fun Food and Travel. Getting ready for a holiday trip? So again I am here to share few of my interesting ideas on what we can carry on a holiday trip when traveling with kids. I have already shared ideas on snack items and few premix recipes in my previous videos, and the link I will provide in the description box. And today it's going to be a complete pack with one sweet, one snack item, and one premix recipe. And I am also going to share what I am carrying in this travel trip. And I'm sure this will help a lot when traveling with kids. So let's get started. So let's first start with quick and very easy sweet puffed rice laddu, and for traveling this is the best. So here I am taking 250 grams jaggery and 100 grams puffed rice. Add the jaggery to a pan and let it melt. It will take just 5 minutes for the jaggery to melt. Make jaggery syrup without adding any water to get perfect laddus. To see if the syrup is ready, fill a bowl with little water. Take a drop of jaggery syrup and put it in water. It should stand firm and not dissolve as shown. The stove should be on low flame, and now add puffed rice to the jaggery syrup. Now mix well, still keeping the stove on low flame. Once murmura is mixed with jaggery syrup, turn off the stove, and it has to be shaped immediately. Do not cool down as the jaggery syrup will crystallize. For making laddus, fill a bowl with water. Wet your palms for making laddus. I highly recommend you to follow this step for making laddus quickly when hot. Traditional Indian crunchy crispy sweet recipe, a simple easy dessert made with just 2 ingredients, is ready. I'm packing them for travel in an airtight container, and they can be stored for weeks. Not only travel friendly but a perfect bachelor friendly and a quick fix recipe. It is simple yet delicious moong dal khichdi with peas. So let's see how to make instant premix moong dal khichdi recipe. Here we are not going to wash rice or moong dal but wipe them nicely with dry kitchen towel. Dry roast moong dal for 2 minutes on low flame and until it gets aromatic. Once dal is roasted, add it to the kitchen towel and wipe both rice and dal nicely. And spread them on the kitchen towel for 10 minutes. Put a deep non-stick pan on the stove and add oil to it. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. And when they splutter, add green chilies and curry leaves. Once green chilies and curry leaves fried nicely, I'm adding green peas. This is completely optional and you can add if available, or you like the taste of peas in khichdi. But if you add, make sure to roast it in oil nicely until moisture evaporates. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and mix well. I took 1 tablespoon peppercorn crushed using mortar and pestle and adding in the pan. Black pepper gives a very nice flavor to the khichdi. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and stir well. And once the green peas are fried nicely in the oil, add rice and dal to the pan. Mix all the ingredients very well, keeping the stove on low flame. Add salt as per your taste and stir continuously for 2 minutes, keeping the stove on low flame. I always love to stock this instant mix for busy mornings. It's also a great option to carry along while traveling and gives us some satisfaction of home cooked food within minutes. Once cooled down completely, we can store it in the airtight container or pack it in the Ziploc bag or silver foil while traveling. Now let's see simple yet easy to prepare poha mixture or flattened rice mixture recipe, and easily lasts for a couple of weeks and best snack item for travel. I'm taking around half kg poha or flattened rice, also called atukulu in Telugu. Put a pan on the stove and dry roast poha. I'm taking thick poha, and it is not necessary that you make poha mixture with only thin flattened rice, but depending on the availability you can take any, and both taste super good. And I like thick poha as it will be more crunchy and crispy while eating. And I would recommend that while making poha mixture with thick poha, fry them on low flame until they become crisp. Keep the dry roasted flattened rice aside and heat the oil in a deep non-stick pan and add the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. And once the seeds crackle, add the crushed garlic and stir once. Adding garlic gives a nice flavor to the poha mixture, and I prefer more garlic in my recipe. You can add as per your taste. Add few slit green chilies and fry them nicely in oil. And add the curry leaves. Fry them on low flame for 30 seconds and then add red chili. Add handful or half cup of peanuts and saute them on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes or till they turn light brown in color. Now add roasted chana dal or fried gram and saute them not more than 30 seconds. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir once. Add the roasted flattened rice, 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste, mix well and stir fry on a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes while stirring continuously. And our crispy, crunchy poha mixture is ready. And once it is cooled completely, we can store it in an airtight jar and it can be stored easily for 2 weeks. For the journey, I am packing them in the silver foil as it is easy to carry. No matter where we travel and for how long, it is always better to carry some food with us, especially when traveling with kids. I am sharing what I am carrying for a 2-day trip, and as we are traveling by car, so it is very easy for me to carry few electrical items. So accordingly I have planned. So let's see what I am carrying. I have few peanuts and sesame seed laddu, and recipe I have shared in the previous video, and I will also provide the link in the description box. And I have packed puffed rice laddu in airtight container. I am carrying few Maggi packets, and for cooking them I will carry electrical cooker, and I can also use this for cooking instant khichdi or instant upma premix. I have also packed instant upma and khichdi premixes in the silver foil. I am also taking with me wheat bread and some spreads like chocolate spread and jam, and I will also carry sandwich maker so that I can serve hot breakfast or snack for kids. I am also carrying few biscuit packets for the journey. Depending on the travel plan, I also make instant veg biryani premix and pulao premix. And if interested to know the recipes, please do comment in the comment section. Hope you liked the video. Please do share it with your friends. Do subscribe for more of my videos. Thank you for watching.